Some birds choose one companion for life. Parrots are highly social animals that often form long-term bonds with specific individuals. These relationships involve mutual grooming, shared vocalizations, and cooperative behavior. Separation from a bonded partner can cause severe stress. In the wild, these friendships increase survival through cooperation and shared vigilance. Emotional attachment, it turns out, is not limited to mammals.